Okay, so this here wants me to simplify the following. So let's have a look at simplifying b. Okay, which is 8 2/5 take 3 4/5. Okay, so again, with our idea that we do not like, right, we do not like mixed numbers. Okay, we don't like mixed numbers. So what we want to do is convert into improper fractions. Okay, before we do anything. Okay, so we want to convert these, right, into improper fractions first. So let's have a look here. So this here is going to be over 5. Okay, so let's just have a quick look here. I go 5 times 8, okay, is 40, plus 2 is 42. Okay, right. I then have take, and this one's going to also be over 5. Okay, and so I then have 5 times 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19. So now that I have them over a common denominator, right, I can now work across the top. Okay, so I have 42 take 19. Okay, if I need to think about that in my head, well, 42 take 20 is 22, and then I add 1 because I've only taken 19. So it's 23 on 15, and then I look to see if I can simplify these at all, and I can't simplify that any further, so that's my answer there. Okay, so let's look at f. Okay, so f is 1 3/5 take 7 on 9. Okay, so again, wherever I see a mixed number, I need to convert it to an improper fraction first. So this here, I'm going to put it over 5. Okay, because I've got fifths involved. So 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8. So that's the same as 8/5 take 7 over 9. Now what I need to do is now follow my normal addition or subtraction rules, right? And basically I need to find a lowest common denominator here. So I think 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Yep, so 45 is divisible by 9, and it's also divisible by 5. Okay, now again, another way that I can just simply think of this is 5 times 9 is 45, so that can be my denominator. So a common denominator that I've got here is 45 for both of them. So I write them both over 45 before I do anything. So 5, to get to that, I've multiplied it by 9, so I multiply that by 9. Okay, so it's 72 over 45. Okay. 9 to get to this, I've multiplied by 5, so I multiply that by 5. Okay, to get 35 over 45. I then, now that they're over a common denominator, I now just work across the top. 72 take 35 is 37 on 45, and then what I do is I have a look to see if I can simplify this fraction any further. And I can't, so I just leave it as it is. Okay, so remember, whatever my answers are, I always look to see if I can simplify the fraction any further. Okay, and remember, where I have mixed numbers, I always convert them to improper fractions first before doing anything in maths. Okay, working through with mixed numbers is very confusing and not very good mathematics.